Meet agents in puq.ai. Build once, use everywhere. Creating an agent is simple. Start by picking your model. Choose the one that fits your task best. Give it memory. Let it remember context across conversations. Now add a parser, so your agent knows how to structure its output. And finally, connect your tools. Search the web, call APIs, whatever your agent needs. That's it. Your AI agent is ready, saved and configured in seconds. Now, let's test it. Hit Run. Right here, right now. See the results instantly. No deployment, no waiting. And here's the best part. Take this agent and drop it into any workflow. No rebuilding, no copy-pasting, no duplicating logic across different flows. One agent, every workflow, zero extra work. That's puq.ai.